Resources and economic activities. The subtopic will be urbanization. Welcome, Zoom lesson slides. Specific objectives will be locate the main towns in Kenya, state the functions of the main towns in Kenya, state the problems facing urban centers, identify efforts being made to solve problems in urban centers. So we'll start with the first objective, the first specific objective, that is location of main towns in Kenya. We have Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu, Nakuru, Thika, Malindi, and Eldoret. These are the towns which are picked as per the syllabus, as per the class 8 syllabus. And here is a diagram of Kenya. You can locate the location of Kisumu. You can locate Eldoret. So Eldoret is to the northeast of Kisumu. You can locate Nakuru. Nakuru is to the east of Kisumu. You can locate Nairobi. You can locate Thika as well. Thika is to the northeast of Nairobi. You can locate Mombasa and Malindi. Those are some of the towns that we are going to learn and locate where they are as per the syllabus of class 8. Then functions of main towns in Kenya. We'll start with Nairobi. Nairobi is an administrative center, diplomatic center, industrial center, agricultural collecting center, communication center, education center, tourist center, recreation and sports center. So Nairobi serve all these functions, as well as Nairobi is a residential center because we have several estates and people live in Nairobi as they get to their different places of work. As a diplomatic center, Nairobi serve as headquarters for embassies of other countries. Nairobi is an administrative center because it is the seat of Kenyan government. This is the seat of power. We have the parliament in Nairobi. We have the judiciary in Nairobi, where we have the Supreme Court situated in Nairobi. And Nairobi is a communication center, communication and transport center. We have Jomo Kenyatta International Airport, which is the largest in sub-Saharan countries, second to South Africa. Nairobi serves as an education center. We have schools, colleges, and universities located in Nairobi. That diagram, that is Nairobi, that is the image of Nairobi in 1930. That is how Nairobi looked. It looked like that in 1930. Then the second one, the second image, this is now the current image of Nairobi. To the far end is clear peak of Mount Kenya, which is around 2 hours drive from Nairobi, 2 to 3 hours. This is also an aerial view of the current Nairobi. Then we move to Mombasa. Mombasa serves as a port, commercial center, administrative center, tourist center, historical center. Remember, Fort Jesus is one of the major historical center found in Kenya. We have industrial center. It serves as an industrial center, communication center, educational center, and defense function. Its defense function comes in that we have the headquarters of Kenya Navy in Mombasa. The Kenya Navy is a section of the Kenya Defense Forces. So that is the iconic task of Mombasa. These tasks were unveiled during the visit of Queen Elizabeth to Kenya in 1952. So this is how it looked like in 1952. Then we have Kisumu. Kisumu served majorly as a lake port in Eastern Africa. It is also a communication center, fishing center, a tourist center, administrative center for Kisumu County. That is Kisumu Port. the lake port. Yeah, that is the same port. And then we have Nakuru. Nakuru is agricultural collecting center because the white settlers used it as agricultural collecting center. Kisumu is also Nakuru is also a tourist town because of Lake Nakuru, which is famous with flamingos. Then we have Thika. Thika started as a government policy, though it was an agricultural collecting center during the white settlers' time. But as a government decision, most of the industries have been relocated to Thika to decongest Nairobi. It is also a satellite town, Thika and Athi River. Then we have Malindi. Malindi is famous with the Vasco da Gama pillar and also the strong Swahili culture. It is a tourist town, industrial town. Which industry is found in Malindi? The industry found in Malindi is for salt. Then Malindi is also an administrative center. Then we move to Eldoret. Eldoret is also an agricultural collecting center, education center, communication center. And remember, we also have Eldoret International Airport. So I did not get the image of Eldoret, but with time I'll get it, then we'll see. So thank you and have a good day.